Are your fried eggs always a disaster? A broken yolk, a rubbery white, or just a greasy mess? Forget flipping. I'm about to show you the foolproof chef's trick for a perfect crispy-edged fried egg with a beautiful runny yolk every single time. The setup is simple. Get a good non-stick pan over a medium-high heat. Add a generous splash of oil. Don't be shy. The hot oil is what creates those crispy edges. Once the oil is shimmering, crack your egg directly into the pan. Let it fry for about 30 seconds until the edges start to get that beautiful crispy lace. Now here's the secret. Instead of flipping, take a small splash of water, just a tablespoon, and pour it into the pan away from the egg. Immediately cover the pan with a lid. The water will instantly create steam. This steam bath perfectly cooks the top of the egg and the yolk to your desired runniness in about 30 to 60 seconds without you ever having to risk a flip. Lift the lid and look at that. The white is perfectly set, the edges are crispy, and the yolk is still beautifully runny and jiggly. Slide it out of the pan and season with a little salt and pepper. This is fried egg perfection. If this simple trick just upgraded your breakfast game, hit that like button. Subscribe to Another How To Guru for more kitchen secrets. How do you like your eggs?